Alright, so we are just checking out of our hotel here, the Lake Pachola Hotel. And now we're just gonna head out to the Mandir and take a look at that. So that's a little island right in the middle of Pachola Lake. And it's really beautiful. You get to take a boat to go there. So we're just gonna head out that direction right now.
Hopefully it's still open. I think the last one goes out at noon, or am I wrong?
Oh, that's true. It might be open, might not be open. So I guess we'll find out.
Might not get a chance to see it, but
Yeah.
we'll try it at the least, right?
Yeah, and this is just the outside of our hotel here, so you can see what that looks like.
Met a nice friend.
Yeah, we met a nice friend who took some pictures for us. Aapka naam?
Ankit Soni.
Ankit Soni.
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you. Yeah, so he took some nice pictures for us.
Yeah, one postcard. This is of Mandir.
Mandir, yeah. That's both of them of Mandir.
Nice.
So they're 500 each, and then you have to pay 30 each for entrance.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so this is the entrance of the City Palace right here.
How many entrances are
I
there?
think there's 2 entrances of the City Palace.
2 entrances, okay.
He's like, this boat leaves at 1 o'clock, and it's a 15-minute walk.
Oh, okay.
And then he's like, after that, you won't be able to get on the boat for a while, because there's timing. Of
There's
when
a
the boat
timing
goes.
to it. Yeah.
Just ticket, please.
That's right.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
First ride in street.
Oh, thanks.
All right, perfect. So the security looks at this as the entrance to the City Palace,
Yep.
and then you need these for the boat.
Okay.
It looks like it's gonna rain again today.
Yeah, it's kind of that type of weather. It's muggy. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us. Last night's storm was a little bit too extreme in my opinion.
That's some crazy shots of them. Holy crap.
Look at the entrance to this place.
Yeah.
It's a grand entrance. Nice. I think he showed us last time.
Last time we came here.
Yes, he gave us a tour.
Showed us a tour.
Yes,
of the City
yeah.
Palace. हम वीडियो
Yeah.
बनाए थे ना?
Okay, sir.
So वो अभी YouTube में upload कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Upload करना है. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is the main entrance for the palace. So last time we were here, they were actually saying that
This is what, the courtyard?
the courtyard, yeah.
Iced Americano, remember?
Americano, yeah.
It tasted so good. But we'll get something when we get to the island. Okay, thanks.
Oh, boat, वहाँ पर?
Boat, okay.
So I guess you make a right. I guess it's always good to ask where we're
Yeah.
going, so somebody can guide you through. Really nice flowers here as well. Oh, right there it says boat ride to Lake Pachola and the Jugman.
Ooh, nice and cool in here.
Yeah.
As soon as you step inside these nice marble buildings, it cools down quite a bit.
It's the way that they're built, I guess, right? Because
Yeah, it's designed for the heat.
and it's built to keep it cool in
Yeah.
the desert.
So now it just kind of opens up. Now you can see all of Lake Pachola.
So this is where the boat launch area happens, and you go to the Mandir is right there, and right there is the that's the Dodge.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Dodge
way
Lake
back
Palace.
there Dodge Lake Palace. And behind that is the Oberoi and the Leela, right?
Yeah.
All right.
The rest of the lake.
It's the lake. There's the boat. Nice birds. And there's the Jagmandir right there. So that's where we're going to be going.
I
Nice.
think this is one of our favorite things to do, right? Since we got here.
Yeah, this one is nice.
Basically did everything. Like we did the Sajangarh Palace or the Sajangarh Fort, right?
Mm-hmm.
We did the Fateh Sagar Lake. We did the City Palace. But I think this was our favorite thing. To
The
do, right?
Jagmandir, yeah.
Jagmandir. Yeah, and the boat ride to it is just amazing.
It's really nice, yeah.
Yeah.
So this right here is the second entrance. This is where you can actually park your vehicle and go straight to the dock there to
And there's a ticket
get your
counter
boat.
there?
Yeah, there should be a ticket counter just right up there.
Okay, so we just noticed something.
Crazy amount of bats up here. You can see them. All these trees are full of bats like crazy. And they're big too, eh?
I'm like, what is that sound? And then I looked up.
As soon as we looked up, yeah.
There's like hundreds of bats above us.
Wow. This is the entrance here. And then we can make it there.
This is where you dock.
This is the entry for it. Can we just wait here? Alright, we are in. Yeah, there's not too many people here compared to last time. Last time there was a lineup. And we missed one of the boats, and the second boat had to come back and get us.
Yeah.
But this time, it's off
This
season.
time it's more calm.
We are just getting ready to go. How's it?
It's our second time doing this. We enjoyed it so much the first time that we decided to come back. It is our dream to stay there.
The Oberoi? Or no, is that the Leela?
I think Leela is right behind it.
Oh, you're right. So that's the
Yeah.
Oberoi and the Lake Dodge Hotel, right?
Yeah.
So that area that we were looking at yesterday was actually called the Gangor Ghat.
Gangor Ghat.
Yeah, right across from Oberoi.
It's a nice place to take pictures,
Yes.
especially in the spa area.
Which is just down that way.
Yeah.
Oh, I can feel a couple of drops of rain.
Oh no. It already started? This one looks really ancient, this part of it, doesn't it? It looks like it's in its original state.
It does actually, yeah.
Let's find a place to sit before it's too late.
I table bug.
Okay, so this is like a cafe
It's a cafe.
slash restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have some pretty good food and stuff as well to try. So this is pretty much just for like sightseeing. You can kind of see the area here. So that right there, you can see the elephants, a view on that side there. And then on this side, there's actually places for people to actually stay,
Yeah.
right? They can actually stay there. That one has a little bit of a museum in there.
This is like a museum, yeah.
Yeah.
Just in case we missed your name, what was your name again?
My name is Anisha Sheikh.
Okay, okay. And your name?
Ima.
Ima. Okay, nice to
We are
meet you.
top secret therapists. Don't reveal this. Say it again. My mom will kill me till I die.
Oh no. Okay, yeah, they have a really nice spa here. We've been here once before, yeah. They have a
This is
jacuzzi
the
and
name of the spa.
it looks like they changed it up a bit. So this is the name of the spa. Pungat, okay. Nice. Yeah, it looks like they have some really nice
You can
massages.
just ask him.
Uh,
Maharaja's Mahal
Yeah.
is very mysterious, right?
Yes.
So outside, however it is,
Yeah.
but by the time you go inside, now you know
Right,
how
right.
good it is. Okay.
yeah.
So the deeper thing is very nice. Now there's jacuzzi also. People don't know like there is jacuzzi also, and very good and nice inside.
Even we didn't know and I was like,
Yeah.
wow, they
Yeah,
have a
it was-
jacuzzi.
Once see,
Yeah.
if everyone see na from outside, they think, oh, this is like Raj Mahal.
Yeah.
Maybe like very old people stay like this now.
Yes,
but it
yes.
is very advanced and technology
It's been
is out
upgraded.
there.
It's
Yes,
been
it's
upgraded,
been
right?
upgraded.
It looks
yeah.
old from the outside, so don't judge the book by its cover.
By its cover, yeah, sure, right.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay,
Awesome.
see you,
Thank you very
bye.
much.
Thanks.
Like,
Nice to meet you.
subscribe, and press the bell icon for
Thank
them.
you.
They're doing very hard work. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, nice to
Take
meet
care.
you.
Thank you.
Bye guys.
So we're just standing underneath some shelter, I guess. The storm is about to come, and we are currently just waiting for our boat, and everybody is over there. Oh, they're all going, so we're just gonna run. Oh man, okay.